Today I'm going to cover some more topics in Selenium WebDriver. First is a quit, second is a capture the screenshot, and third method is a handle the links. So basically there is a two method to close the browser in a Selenium. First method is known as the close, second is known as the quit. So what is the difference between quit and close method or function in WebDriver? So close function close the current tab on which the control of WebDriver is present, or you can say close method is close the last focus browser opened by the Selenium. Quit function close the complete browser. Complete browser means in a single or WebDriver using the Selenium for using or opening the 2 or 3 browsers or tab, then it will close all the browser or tabs. That is a use of quit method. So let's see, go with practical and check this one. So I'm just going to create our new class, name as a quit browser. Select the public static void main is the default method. So first of all, we have to write the WebDriver manager. Then we have to open the Chrome driver dot setup method. Now we can create our WebDriver object. So WebDriver space driver equal to Chrome driver. So what it will do this code, it will just open the Chrome browser. Now I'm going to maximize the browser. Driver.manage.window.maximize. Using this code, we can maximize our browser. Now, we can open any browser. Open a browser, we need to pass driver.get. Get is a command. Using this, we can open any browser. Inside the get, we have to pass in a string method. That means HTTPS .co.in. Now it will open this browser, and similar way, suppose that we are using driver.close. It will also close your current focus browser. Now we can see, just I'm going to run this and we can check the output. So first of all, it will execute the code. First open the Chrome driver, then it will maximize it, then it will type the google.co.in, then it will close the browser. Similarly, if I'm comment this close method, and on the place of close I'm going to use quit method, so it is perform the same behavior. So but quit is close all the browser that is open by this script. So because we have only one browser, so it will close this browser. Open the browser, maximize it, google.co.in, after that it will close the browser. So this is basically difference between a close and quit method. Second, capture the screenshot. This is a very important. While testing, we have to report the bugs, and while reporting the bugs, we have to attach the screenshot. So how to capture the screenshot in Selenium? Capture screenshot. So now I'm going to create our new class here. Capture screenshot. Now here we have to use some more methods. Similar way. Either we can copy paste these 3 lines because these are the common lines. So I'm going to use here these 3 lines. Now I'm just going to open any browser, driver.get. So it will open the browser like https .in. Now I'm just going to take a screenshot of this page. So how to take a screenshot? So for taking a screenshot, we have to write some syntax. So this is a syntax. Capture the screenshot. File, src file. src file means your source file. Then you have to pass the one interface. Take screenshot, it is an interface. Driver is your object of WebDriver. Dot get screenshot as means in which format you want to store your file. Output file means that your image file. Then here you have to specify output type dot file type or base 64 on the byte. You have a 3 options. FileUtils. What it will do, it will just copy your image from src file to your location. Your location means in your repository. So here you can pass the path of your repository directly. Screen.png is your path where you want to store your screenshot. .png is an extension of that file. Let's move on practical part. So here, first you have to create a file, then you have to store that file. So src file or src source file equal to, then here you can pass the screenshot as a interface, control space bar, take a screenshot. After that, you have to pass the driver. After that, dot get screenshot as output type. Which type you wanted to? Then output type. You can see here in a suggestion output type. So which type? Output type. Dot which type means you can see here base 64 bytes and file. So I'm going to select file type. I want my type is a file. Next, then we have to store this image from this src to our local path. So we are using a FileUtils dot copy files. Copy files option you can see here. In dot copy files, there are 2 parameters, src file and destination file. So src, what is our first means source file, that is src file that we are creating here src, and now here we have to pass our destination. So using new file, and we can pass the path of our file. Like I'm just going to store in a D directory, D, then test.png, semicolon. Now here you can see some suggestion. Now just file, import the file, copy files, copy file, it is the okay. FileUtils dot copy file src equal to new file, change to file. Okay, now this is a string type, so you have to pass in a double. Now you have to add the exceptions here. So your code is ready. Now we can check in D drive there is any file of this one or not. In a D drive there is a no test file. Now we can execute our code and check this one. So it will open this website and take a capture. Then after that I'm just going to write the code driver.close. So it will close your browser. Now execute this test and check the output. So same way, first it will open your browser, maximize it, then it will open your google.co.in page. Here we can see in our D folder there is a no test.png. Yeah. Now you can see this is capture your screenshot, that is a test. This is generated at this time. So you can change here. Suppose that you want to do another name, then you can change here. You can write a timestamp. You can define some methods. This is a way how to take a screenshot. Now moving to the next part, how to handle the links. So in website, a lot of times you have to handle the links. So there is a two-way handle the links. In element locators, we can find out two methods. One is a linkText. This is a one method handle. Another is a partialLinkText. So what is the difference between these two methods? LinkText method, actually what it will do, LinkText matches the entire text found in the element. This is a main difference between in linkText, match the entire text to find the element, whereas partial linkText uses the partial text to match the element. This is the one example how the developers write the links. A is the anchor tag, href hyperlink reference. Then here they have passed the link of the website. Then this is the link or text that user can view. Now, suppose that there is a one browser opened by this site. So we can open any browsers. Google.co.in. I'm just again executing the same and just open the browser using the automation. Now I'm going to create another class. In that we can see how to handle the link. Basically, this is a page, and you can see here, Gmail is a link, image is a link. So how to click on Gmail link? So now we are going to create one more class. We have to write here WebDriver manager. So WebDriver manager dot home driver dot setup. We have to create a WebDriver. Driver equal to new Chrome driver. Again, we have to maximize the browser. Driver.manage window dot maximize. I'm going to open the page. So driver.get command. Here we can pass the URL. Which URL? This URL. Just copy from here and paste it. So it will open this page. Now we want to click here, means in a Gmail link. So how to click this one? Using Selenium WebDriver. Then we have to write driver dot find element. So what it will do? It will go the exact location of this particular link. So you can see here, there is 8 type of locator. There is a class name, CSS selector, ID, link, text, and partial. So first I'm going with linkText. Linktext means exactly the same name you have to pass here. So Gmail, that is the exactly name. Then what action we have to perform here? We have to perform .click actions. So what it will do, just open this website and it will go and click on your Gmail link. Now we can see. So first it will open your Chrome browser, then maximize it, then it will go and click on Gmail button. So this is the one method, that is a link text. Suppose that I'm just commenting this part. Now I am going to achieve same things using the partial link text. So driver.find element y dot here link text, then partial. Partial means we can pass some phrase of the word like GMA. Here you can see we have completely write the Gmail, but I'm just writing here some part of the words dot. We have to perform the click action. Similar way, it will perform the same operation. Google.co.in, then click on Gmail. Because I'm not writing the code of close the browser, so it is not closing the browser. Okay. So today we learn about 3 methods. First is a quit method. So there is a 2 method to close the browser: close method and quit method. Close will close the last focus browser Quit will close all the browser opened by the script. Second is capture the screenshot. Basically, it is a use for while reporting the bugs. So here, first we have to create a one file. Then we have to copy the file from source to our destination, means in our repository. Handle the links. We can handle link in a two-way, either using the link text, either using the partial link.